Once upon a time in a quiet pond. No, rather a stormy sea. There drifted a ship aimlessly through the water. On board it had nothing more than the lost souls of its former crew who had sworn to stay aboard until the ship itself would disappear. After a long search, the ship found the captain that has lost his vessel. He feared no thunderstorm nor any ghosts, and so he took the new ship and brought it to shore. There he entered the tavern in order to hire a crew for his vessel. He was looking only for the best man, as he intended to become a wealthy trader. But alas, luck was not on his side. There was only a drunk and a scholar in that tavern.
I'm a biologist!
Undaunted, our captain took them by the neck and brought them to the port. The drunk was to become his helmsman, while the scholar became the engineer, whether he wanted or not.